Hi, my name is Shruti, and I want to ask a question to all of us today. Do you feel, don't you feel that we are all involved in this case? We are all have, we are all have played a huge role in the death of his murder. Don't you feel so? Don't you feel we have let the system to exist? We have let such a system to exist that can walk away guilt free after committing a crime. We have allowed it to happen, and that is why this is happening. Whenever there is a movie maker who wants to bring out popularity or who wants to bring out fame, who wants to make money, there are people who are making it for passion also, and simultaneously those are people who are, their thing is to make money. Those kind of people, I will tell you, I understand a little bit of marketing. Whenever these people want to make a movie, they see what is trending, they want to see what people want, what the janta wants. Based on that, they make a movie. So we have collectively contributed to their research, so they know what we want. Based on that, they're making movies. Based on that, they're producing art for money. I really feel bad, I really feel like, with music companies, with all the PPL license and everything, I feel that is like minting money scenes. Of course, I don't deny that these people have put in a lot of effort to make music and stuff. That I definitely don't deny. But selling that out, art is not business, you guys. It's really not. Art is an extension of your soul. When you die, you can't take anything away. You don't carry anything, but you will leave behind your creativity, your art, what you have left. That is what you give to the society. That is not business. That is beyond business. It is beyond materialism. It is it is beyond everything. Art is ultimate. So that boils down to this question, that how have we collectively not opted for true talent? How have we not collectively opted for wanting to see the truth? Why have we been lured by glamour? That is a question we need to ask ourselves. Instead of pointing at others, I'm pointing, yeah, I agree. It's okay to point. I'm still blaming those guys who have murdered, but I'm also questioning myself. How have I played a role in this? This is a rising of a human consciousness. Look around. How many people are speaking the truth? Why are people speaking so much? कौन क्या होता है भाई, मतलब somebody died, somebody killed, हमको क्या लगे, है ना? But why are people standing up and speaking? Because we are also involved. We have not opted for the truth. We have not made the right choice. We have not supported the right people. We have been a victim of manipulation. We have surrendered to ourselves. We have sold our soul to money, desire. Maybe because we don't have enough somewhere. Maybe we are living our dreams through somebody else. This is all happening because of a root cause, that we have ultimately forgotten the connection with God. If we try to rebuild the connection with God, you will not be able to speak lies. You will be able to see lies clearly. You will be able to make a crystal clear definition between white and black. You will be in that position if you empower yourself instead of empowering a system that can walk away guilt free. We have allowed it to happen, you guys. We are responsible in this. We have to start asking ourselves this question. This is a start of a journey. कलयुग खत्म हो गया है, क्योंकि ये मर्डर के बारे में आप एक को उल्लू बना सकते हो, दो को उल्लू बना सकते हो, शायद तीन चार पांच लोगों को उल्लू, ठीक है ले लो, 6 7 10 लोगों को उल्लू बना सकते हो. Not entire country, yaar. Forget about country. Now people from different parts of the world are starting to investigate in this case. Everybody are speaking that this is the truth. This is a murder. Everybody is telling. Just because you found my body hanging in the scene doesn't mean that I killed myself. Just because you tell that I've been depressed doesn't mean that I, I took out my own life. No, this is not real. The real question is, why have we collectively opted for not wanting to know the truth? Let me tell you like a simple common example. Whenever a person is wanting to make a movie, wanting to make a money, wanting to make some money through popularity, through gaining fame and that thing. Okay, there are people who wants to express their art through making videos. That is an art. I don't deny that, and I it's very difficult for me to comprehend those concepts of making movie. But I do understand a little bit of marketing that says like, if you are, wanting to make money, you know what you end up doing is you do research about what people want. लोगों को ये पसंद होगा या नहीं होगा, तो तुम हो रिस्पॉन्सिबल उस चीज़ में, बिकॉज यू हैव गिवन देम द पावर. यू हैव एनस्लेव्ड योर सेल्स कि मेरे को ये देखना है, मेरे को ग्लैमर देखना है, ये देखना है, वो देखना है. मैं नहीं बोल रही कि वो सब ज़रूरी नहीं है. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट अल्टीमेटली इज़ लाइक वी हैव फॉरगॉटन टू ऑप्ट कि हमको ट्रू टैलेंट चाहिए, वरना हम नहीं देखेंगे. उल्लू मत बनाओ. अगर एक एक बंदा खड़े होके बोलेगा कि भाई मेरे को ये बकवास नहीं देखना है, भाई why aren't we opting for truth, guys? This is deeper meaning. There is like lot, there is very deep meaning. This is not it. मतलब ये यहीं पर ख़त्म होने का चीज़ नहीं है. एविडेंस जस्टिस निकालो, ये वो नहीं है. यू थिंक गॉड डजंट नो बिकॉज ही बिलीव्ड इन गॉड, एंड यू थिंक ही डजंट नो कि क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ. You think the murder is bigger than God? No, God knows, and God wants a bigger truth to come out of this. God has taken Sushant Singh Rajput and he's kept him in a beautiful place, but we are suffering right now is because we have forgotten the connection with God, and we have not opted for truth. We have not opted for true talent, true music. We have not. Somewhere along the line we have forgotten. दिस इज़ द टाइम गाइज. कलयुग ख़त्म हो गया है, हो गया कलयुग. इट इज़ टाइम फॉर ट्रूथ टू कम फोर्थ. वी एज कलेक्टिवली वी नीड टू आस्क द ट्रूथ ऑलवेज, तभी मूवी बनता है. वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल गाइज. we are definitely responsible in it. How have we allowed a system to exist in the first place? How were we allowed it to happen? We need to ask ourselves, because we have surrendered our soul. We are not trying to build the direct connection that we have with God. We have forgotten that connection, and that is why we are not able to differentiate between black and white. We as individuals should go in the right direction. We collectively should form an evolution, right? We have to evolve. We have to contribute to that evolution. How we should always opt for truth. The next generation is going to come. They will take over. They should run by truth. And tomorrow, if there is some guy who kills somebody and who can get away because he has pulls, he should be afraid of us. He should be fearful of people who are opting for truth. We have collectively failed to opt for truth. That is why all this is happening. We are all suffering. रात को नींद नहीं आती होगी ना, दिन रात वीडियोस देख रहे होंगे. मैं भी कर रही हूँ. बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. क्यों दर्द हो रहा है? क्योंकि हम अपने आप से ये सवाल नहीं पूछ रहे कि हाउ वी हैव एडेड टू द सिस्टम, हाउ हैव वी एडेड टू द करप्शन. वी हैव ऑल बीन सोल्ड आउट, यू गाइज. क्लीन बोल्ड.